Today, I want to talk to my fellow colleagues, my brothers, sisters in the service. So far, everything we are doing is good. But lately, we are getting headlines everywhere that police did something terrible for one reason or the other. I want you to reflect one thing. Sit down wherever you are, alone. Just think of where you came from. Just think the reason why you joined the police force. You went to the field for recruitment alone. Reason well known, because you know what you want. There are those people who joined this service because it is a calling. There are those people who joined this service because they had no other option. Please, I want you to reflect how many you are in that field of recruitment. And God made you succeed and become one of the servicemen. This country depends on you. We took an oath in office to protect life and property of every Kenyan wherever they are. The public demand a lot from us. We are here to give them services. Everybody knows that police are our protectors. You have a wife, you have children, you have parents who always look at you and they are proud of you. So if today we, the police officers, do contrary to what we're supposed to do, be a traumatizer to the society, the public will always run from us. We demand that the public respect us. We want the public to come back to us. How are they going to come back to us if we don't have the protection they need from us? We are making them run away from us. The confidence that we want them to come to have to us is gone.